Hey there, welcome to ifactnerd.com's top interview questions and answers tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will learn how to answer the question during an interview. The question is, why do you want this job? When an interviewer asks you, why do you want this job? Then what you shouldn't be saying or doing, what you should know to answer this question properly, and what should be your answer to this question. And we will end our presentation with the what's next section. So, when an interviewer asks you, why do you want this job? What you shouldn't be doing or telling. Don't just say, because I need it. Or don't just say, I need money. Many candidates think that this answer is funny. I need money. That's why. No. You have to tell that you are the problem solver, that you are the right product for the needs of the company. Nobody wants to hear that you need money, that's why you want to join their company. Or because you need it, everybody needs it. You have to show why you are different. It's your opportunity to pitch yourself. So don't just give a one word or one liner answers, and don't try to be funny. And don't show that you want this job as a jumping pad. For example, if someone or interviewer asks you, why do you want this job? And you answer, because I have applied abroad and I'm waiting for 3 months and I'm free for 3 months, that's why I want to do this job. No, don't do this. Or don't say, because I want to be at your position next year. Or don't say, because I am appearing in a competitive exam and I would like to join for 6 months. Don't do it. You have to show commitment. So what should you know for answering the question, why do you want this job? You should know about the organization, its vision, mission, objectives, its industry, what are different kinds of products or services the organization is offering, and where is it offering, where the different branches exist. So you have to do a little research, and most often you can visit the organization's website. You should know about the financial status of the organization, so you can include some figures in your answer. You should know in detail about the job description. What are the requirements of the job? You should be able to analyze what are the organization's needs with respect to the advertised position. And you should know which of your strengths, experiences, and achievements will help to satisfy those needs. So, there is a need by an organization, and you have to show them that you have got the solution, that you are the solution. You can solve the problems being faced by the organization. And you have to tell your properties, strengths, experiences, and achievements in order to make your case stronger. And most of the times when we receive an interview letter, we know the interviewer's name and his position. So do a little background research on the interviewer's background from linkedin.com or google.com or from the company's website. Once you know these things, then you are in a position to answer this question: why do you want this job? So what should we say or do? You start with the specific things you like about the organization and be complimentary. Everyone likes to be flattered. You can say that this organization is one of the best organization in this country. And if you know the financial figures, then you can say that it is financially strong. According to 2015 figures, it made the profit. And then come to the specific things you like about the position, that this job requires hard working and team playing, and I am a hard worker and a team player, something like that. Show that you understand the job requirements and organization's needs. So you have to show that you understand what are the requirements of the jobs and what kind of problems you will be solving. And show your passion and love to join the organization, that you are very passionate to join this organization, to join this position. And show that you will be able to solve the problems being faced. You have to tell them that you are the perfect fit, and to do that you have to know your strengths, weaknesses and qualifications, and you have to show that you will be able to, based on these things, you will be able to solve the problems and you satisfy the need of the company. Once you are able to sell yourself, then it's a good sign and there are good chances that you will be hired. So guys and girls, thank you very much. If you would like to see my previous tutorial on how did you hear about this job, then please click here. And if you would like to know what to say while answering the question, what are your weaknesses, then watch my next tutorial by clicking over here. And if you would like to watch the whole playlist of top job interview questions and answers, then please click here. To read my blog on how to answer the question, why do you want this job, please visit ifactioner.com. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.